Good evening, London. Today is 31st October, and everyone knows that 31st October is observed here as a Halloween's day. So, what is Halloween actually? We only know the people appears in different ghost form and pumpkins with some faces on it and lights coming out and scary things and spooky things. That's called Halloween. But if we look out the roots of the Halloween, so where does this term Halloween came from? How do they started celebrating? The roots are coming from the Iron Age, the tribal age of Celts, Celts. Celts were the people of like Indo-European people, indigenous European people. Mainly they survived in the Central Europe and all. First of all, there were no countries and no boundaries. There were only the boundaries of the languages and tribes. So they were speaking the same language, Celt language, Celt, and they were living in the same tribe and the same culture. So what they followed, that this was a season where the season of harvesting was over. Means this was the season.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! So there was a season of harvesting over, and after harvesting, the winters are starting. So winters are scary and depressing because the daylight is low and the night will be darker and it will be longer. So people of Celtic people started celebrating Halloween. They believe that on this day there is a very thin line between heaven or between the world of people who are dead and who are living. So they can come, the ghosts can visit our world. So they believe that they will come on this day to the earth, and they also wear some costumes like very spooky, so that when they come to the earth they ran away, seeing that here also there are many spooky people and let me run away from here. That was the belief of the old indigenous people of Celtic people, but slowly after the Celtic Christians started believing in it, and today if we find the Celtic people who are there, where are they? Today mainly in the Scotland, Wales and areas like Ireland, we found these people, but not a traditional or indigenous tribal are alive or existing now, but they are Wales people and all are very addicted and very connected to the language and all. So it's raining today, it's Halloween's day, and it's raining heavily. London is pouring down, and what can I say? So if I show you, it's not letting me to shoot. So London is pouring down. People found it interesting, and when they wear costumes and come like some witch, ghost or anybody from the Hollywood film which is spooky, so people started having fun, having party with it. And today Halloween is more like party and more like small children go to the doorsteps of everyone and they go for collection of candies. So people keep the candies outside the door, and the small children comes 5 to 6 years knocking the door that yes, we want candies and can you give us candies, and the doors are open and they collect some candies. So it is fun for children, it is fun for young people. They are partying and all. There will be boat party, bar party, pub party in the London. So London is all about party and happy Halloween everyone. So that is all about the Halloween. So let us see. So today 31st October and London is pouring down, but still people are, I can see they are with some faces already here. Let's see how they believe and how they come out with this Halloween costume. तो अभी जो मैंने आपको इंग्लिश में समझाया, अगर हिंदी में समझाऊँ तो ये ट्रेडिशन जो हैलोवीन है, जो इंडिया में भी अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं बड़े सिटीज़ में, तो वो है क्या एक्चुअली, जो भूत वाले चेहरे और मास्क पहन के लोग निकलते हैं, ये एक्चुअली बिलीफ है सेल्टिक पीपल की, CELTIC, सेल्टिक पीपल जो उस ज़माने में रहते थे, बहुत पुराने इंडिजीनियस जो आदिवासी ट्राइब्स के लोग होते थे, इंडो यूरोपियन सेक्टर में, सेंट्रल में, पहले बाउंड्रीज नहीं होती थी कंट्रीज और वो ट्राइबल सिमिलर लैंग्वेज और कल्चर के हिसाब से वो लोग जाने जाते थे। तो उनका कल्चर ये कहता था कि दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ हार्वेस्टिंग, मतलब उनका खेती करने का समय और वो खेती निकालने का समय ख़त्म हो चुका है। अभी विंटर चालू हुआ है और विंटर डार्क होती है और नाइट्स ज़्यादा बड़ी होती है, रात ज़्यादा बड़ी होती है। तो वो लोग ऐसा मानते थे कि आज बहुत ही पतली चादर बच गई है मुर्दा लोगों में और इंसानों के बीच में, तो वो लोग हमारे वर्ल्ड में आ सकते हैं आज के दिन। ऑन 31 अक्टूबर हैलोवीन्स डे मनाते हैं तब। तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि हम खुद भी एक भूत जैसे बन जाते हैं और अलग अलग स्पूकी चेहरे वाले बन जाते हैं, ताकि वो लोग जब आए और हमें देखे तो हमें डर के वापस वहाँ चले जाए। सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट द हैलोवीन। इसलिए उन्होंने हैलोवीन मनाना चालू किया 31 अक्टूबर को। और जैसे जैसे वेस्टर्नाइज होता गया, सब अलग अलग चेहरे भूत के पहन के पार्टी करते हैं। सब बच्चे लोगों के घरों में जाते हैं, दरवाज़ा खटखटाते हैं और कैंडीज़ मांगते हैं। कैंडीज़ रखी होती है बच्चों के लिए घर के बाहर। सो दिस इज़ ऑल हैलोवीन्स टुडे। आज लंदन में हैलोवीन्स डे है और लंदन इज़ पोरिंग डाउन, मीन्स लंदन में बहुत ही तेज़ बारिश हो रही है। और मैंने आज तक इतनी लगातार बारिश नहीं देखी, लेकिन अच्छी बारिश हो रही है और मुझे बहुत ही मज़ा आता है बारिश में। एक्चुअली लंदन वालों को आप कुछ भी पूछो, समर, oh there is summer, we hate summer, oh so, and winters, oh there are winters, there are cold winters। और जब बारिश गिरती है, what a वेदर के नाम से उनको डर लगता है। what a terrifying weather, what a oh, अरे बारिश किसको नहीं पसंद, बारिश सबको पसंद है, लेकिन लंदन वालों को कंप्लेन करने की आदत है और वो नहीं जाएगी। सो आई लव द बारिश। इंडिया में बारिश एंजॉय करता था और आज मैंने यहाँ बारिश देखी। आई एम एन्जॉइंग रेन इन द हैलोवीन। और मैंने यहाँ कुछ चेहरे भी दिखे हैलोवीन बन के घूम रहे हैं। लेट्स जस्ट फाइंड देम आउट। टुडे इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी देयर इज, व्हाट्स योर नेम? Samantha. So what are you today? What's this costume? You want to say happy Halloween to everyone? Happy Halloween. Enjoy the day. Thank you. It's raining here and in front of me they are very cute Halloween costume.
Hi everyone.
So from where are you, sir?
Yeah, where we're from?
I'm from India and
I'm China.
China.
Yeah, okay.
So we are neighbors. So
Okay, so, yeah,
yeah.
nice to meet you.
So what's this costume all about?
It's a police. It's a police. The police. This is.
It's a
jail.
police and
Yes, I'm in jail. Yeah.
yeah, you're jailer. So police and jailer both together.
Yes.
So you both are looking very cute in this
Yeah.
costume. So what is this for?
Maybe their match.
Yeah,
Closest
match.
Yes.
And today is Halloween. So
Happy Halloween.
do you know anything about Halloween?
Okay, just have fun, right?
Just
Yeah,
have fun.
right.
So you wanna say back to China, happy Halloween in your language?
万圣节快乐。Yes.
Thank you. Happy Halloween to you, sir. Happy Halloween. Bye bye. It's heavy raining, and in front of me there are two ghosts. I think so. So, what's this costume about?
We don't know.
But they are very spooky. Your eyes is coming out, man. So, what do you want to say on this Halloween?
Happy Halloween to
Happy
everyone.
Halloween. So you are enjoying your time?
Yes.
Yeah, so they are in the Piccadilly and they are enjoying the Halloweens and okay, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
What's your name? Do you want to say your name?
Yeah, Ruchi and Sumit.
From which country?
India.
Very good, thank you. Hello sir, what are you today? What is this costume of all about?
It's a Halloween.
Halloween. So do you know what is this? A nun or a pirate?
Non-pirate.
Everything. So you're looking wonderful. From which country you are?
I'm from Japan.
Japan. Very good. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Why would you put that recipe down to an
Oh, come on, come on!
People seen partying and enjoying on the Leicester Square. Hello, from where? Which country you are?
India.
India. Yeah, you're looking beautiful, and this is magical. Yeah, and I found on the market, in the China market of the London, one running pumpkin. So yeah, you are looking very cute. What's your name?
Cassius.
What? Okay, and Cassius, do you want to say something to the Londoners?
Yeah, I mean, I like my costume, and I guess it's Happy Halloween. I guess
Yeah, you are looking very cute. Happy Halloween. Thank you.
Happy Halloween!
And we are with, what's your name, ma'am?
Lucy.
And sir?
I'm Harry.
So what you are today?
We're nipple tassels.
Nepotassels? Oh wow! So both of you are looking very entertaining and very beautiful in this hat.
Thank you.
So do you want to give some message to Londoners and to all the world?
Have fun.
Have fun, stay safe, and have a happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! Thank you. Enjoy.
Oh, happy Halloween, you get me?
Happy Halloween. So from where are you?
From London, innit?
London.
Central, you get
Central.
me? We're live,
So what
bro.
is your costume all about?
I'm myself, innit? I'm myself. No more.
थैंक यू. ये बिल्कुल चालबाज के पिक्चर में जो करंट लगा था और उसके जो बाल ऊपर उड़ गए थे उसके जैसा नहीं लग रहा. बाय. हेलो.
Hi,
So today, what's your name?
I'm Sonia.
And you?
Reza.
Okay, so do you want to give some good message on Halloween to the world?
Yeah, okay, sure. My message is I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, so you are looking very pretty in this dress, and so you are looking. Yeah, thank you, sir. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
From which country?
I'm from Iran. And he's from Iran. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Hello. So you are looking very pretty with this pumpkin face.
Yes.
So do you want to say something? Good message for the world?
Maybe good Halloween to everybody.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
From where are you?
Have a nice day.
From where are you? Country?
Country, China.
China.
Yes.
Happy Halloween. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So you are looking very realistic. So what is this costume all about?
I'm the Joker from Dark Knight.
Okay.
Happy Halloween.
Are you sure
Happy
you're the real
Halloween.
one? Who's the real one? Who's the real one now?
Hello. Hope you like the video and hope you like the people with the different faces. As you have seen, I have asked many people who are in the different faces what you are and why you are celebrating Halloween, but they don't know actually why they are celebrating, because they are very much into like a fashion show and they want to look spooky and just roam around the central of the London, and they are enjoying the festival. So if you see any festival with bad intention or with bad spooky mind, then you will see the bad in that festival. But if you enjoy the festival, if you see good things in it, if you just take it lightly, and if you want to enjoy any festival, can be a good festival for you. Even a ghost face festival, spooky festival can be a reason for enjoyment for you. अगर किसी भी चीज़ में अगर आप बुराई ढूंढोगे तो बुराई मिलेगी, और किसी भी चीज़ों में अगर आप अच्छी नज़रों से देखोगे तो आपको हमेशा अच्छा ही दिखेगी. So this is the message of Halloween which I want to give to the world. यहाँ लेस्टर स्क्वायर और पिकाडेली के बीच में चल रहे हैं अपने अपने कॉस्ट्यूम में और फोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं, जैसे कि आज वो सेलिब्रिटी और फैशन परेड चल रही है. इट्स नॉट अ हैलोवीन, इट्स अ फैशन परेड फॉर एवरीवन.